Alrighty, we are on the road, and this is the start of this summer, or season 3, I would say, spring and summer of Georgia on My Mind. We're going to be doing a Georgia on My Mind series and trying to go to as many state parks as possible. So we're sitting in Atlanta traffic, South Atlanta traffic.
There's a car on fire up here.
Yeah, so we're going to hang to the left side, but we are now on the road after all that getting ready, and I know I went over a handful of things that I had to wrap my head around since we were getting on the road, finding certain things and just being out of whack of the ABC 1, 2, 3, what you know how to do when you're full-time traveling. You know where everything's at, and you haven't misplaced it, but for 6-7 months now, we've been kind of living stationary. So it's been a bit of a transition, but Corey had a great opportunity learning experience with this move.
Yeah, and we'll see what the inside looks like when we get to where we're going. You know, it's just trying to remember everything, you know, locking up all the cabinets and all that stuff. And we did, like, I think it was last weekend or the weekend before, we did like a little test run, and some of our seasoning had fallen off and gotten all over the floor, so I remembered about that, so I put up all of our seasonings.
And that is, it's adhesive on the sidewall above our stove, and we're actually going to take that down.
Yeah, so they worked for a good bit where we could just, you know, put them up there and they wouldn't go anywhere, but just they've gotten looser and they fell a couple weekends ago. So I put up the seasoning, but I forgot about the paper towels. So we'll see if the paper towels are all over the floor. Oh, maybe not. Maybe they will. I don't know.
Usually it unravels.
Yeah.
We're driving for 2 hours here, so it'll be interesting. But yeah, so these are the things that you have to keep your mind sharp and remember to do. It's hard when you're not going 24/7. I was joking around earlier today because when you're moving every 2-3 days, you know where everything is. It's in a cycle, a system, and a lot of everything I had to do for safety precautions and greasing the wheel bearings and everything. I just had to go over the list. You know, they say measure twice, cut once. I think in the RV world, it's like go over your list twice and drive once, or something. I don't know how that would work, but wow, they really do. This car is on fire. They just put it out.
Ooh, stinky.
Whoa.
Oh, wow, that's bad.
We just passed that wreck of a mess. We are about an hour away to meet up with Brian and Laura. But yeah, so traveling, getting back on the road after being stationary for a while, it's a bit of a transition. But I think the worst case scenario that happens is we have to roll up some paper towels.
That's not bad.
We did a good job. So if you like what you're seeing, of course, you know, give us thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and join the road.
Join the road.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Hey!
Well, you make great time. The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get